All right, all right. Another money-making day. Um, if you're following me on Twitter, you'll see the trades I'm getting involved with. This volatility is providing a lot of opportunity for intraday trades. So check me out on Twitter. It's at trading_off, and you can participate in that. But right now, before we get started, do me a favor, hit the subscribe and hit the bell so you know when I'm up or dropped a video, and hit the like because I like you, like me. And if you're making money on Twitter, they give an opportunity to tip your host. So show a little love, tip the host, and we'll keep this thing going on. So look, very simply, we look at the momentum right down here, and the momentum is terribly bearish, and we broke the trend line right here, which is kind of frightening, to tell you the truth. So we get another 90-point day tomorrow, and that's 486. And that would close the gap we have right there. So that's not a bad target. Another 90-point day after 1, 2, 3, 4 down days. That's a rough one, man. I'm thinking we get like 40 or 50 points down tomorrow and then a retrace. Maybe putting in a lower high, which this is a lower low. So if we put in a lower high, that means we have entered a bearish trend on the dailies. Actually, we could even argue it right here, because here's a low, here's a lower high, here's a lower low. So we could argue that we're in a bearish trend right now on the dailies. But I'd have to say that we're in a channel with the low of 531 and the high of 48.18. And I think that's going to be our channel. I think that's going to be our trading channel for a couple of months. And we'll have to see. I think tomorrow we're going to test that 531. And we're going to test it good, son. But that's going to be a major support right there. So, yeah, let's see if we could tag that bad boy and then turn around and maybe put in a hammer and stay within that channel. The center range of that channel should be about 610 or so. I actually worked it out on another chart. Let me see if I can find that chart so you can see where I did it. Yeah, I think I might have put it. Might have put it on the 60-minute chart. No, not on the 60-minute chart. Maybe I got it on a chart on another screen over here. Yeah, I think I've got it right here. Oh, let's get rid of that. Yep, here it is. All right, so 4674 would be the center of that channel, and I'm suspecting that unless we fall apart, that we're going to trade down to here, dance around here, then come back up to the 74, maybe come back down. Then if we break that 4674, we'll come up and start testing the highs. And I think that we're going to trade much like this, back and forth in this channel. And I wouldn't mind seeing that go on for quite some time. That would make me a wee bit comfortable. We're not going to do that. We're not going to go any further. All right. So really what happened was we got a bounce in the 10-year. And the market, once the 10-year started trading off, the market traded off with the 10-year. And you could see the consistency in the S&P trading today. So this is what we're going to have to watch. This is going to be our leading indicator. We see this 10-year start making topping patterns, and we could look for the S&P to rebound. And you could argue that we are divergent. If you look at this 30-minute chart, we're divergent. If you look at the 1-minute chart, the daily chart, we're divergent. Here is the high right now. I mean, if we turn around tomorrow and put that high in, that's definitely a divergence. So we have to look for that. But that's pretty strong bar, man. That's kind of ominous. The 120s don't look too divergent. And the 60s look pretty strong. Pretty strong. So we might get another spike in it tomorrow and then perhaps a turnaround. but that's a very strong bar on the daily for the 10-year. So that beats that. I hope everybody's out of their risk positions like Bitcoin and all the other crazy stuff that young people like to trade in. So anywho, this is it, man. This is a wrap. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. I appreciate it. Check me out on Twitter at trading_off. And I'm calling out my trades, man. You should be making money if you're following me. If those trades feel appropriate for you, also trade within your risk tolerance. I like to break it up into 3 units. This way, I hit a target, I take a third off, I get to a break even, then I have a riskless trade on. If you can't handle the 3 trades, just hold a 2-to-1 risk reward. Look at what your risk is. Put your stop loss at let's say it's $100, then your target should be $200 in profit. So that's a good way to start. It's hard to make money on one contract, but it's a good way to start your game. And then you can go 2 contracts, 3 contracts. Once you're at 3 contracts, then kind of gets easy because a lot of the moves pop. You take $200 or $300 a contract, you go to a break even. Now the rest of the trade's riskless. The stock odds are with you, and the baby runs, and you make some money. Stock odds are against you, and then it kicks back, and you're out on the other 2 pieces at a break even, and you picked up $200 or $300 on a third of your position. So anyway, that's how I do it. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. I'm happy to answer them. You can hit me up on Twitter, ask me some questions. My email's in there. Lots of links and stuff to get attention. You want to support the channel. It helps me build the channel and do quality stuff here. So anyway, just remember, calm, cool, be at peace when you trade, and good luck trading.